Okay, so all right. I believe you can see the screen. Okay, thank you very much. Let's proceed. Let's get started. So this introduction to affiliate marketing with Tolulope Elijah. I'm an internet marketer and also a top affiliate on experts now. So I believe let's go on this journey. So a lot of people have asked me, how does affiliate marketing works? So I'll be giving you a breakdown how affiliate marketing works, and I'll be giving you a breakdown how you can use it to earn at least 400k per month. That's 4 week. Although 4 week it's quite much, but don't worry, I'll teach you on how to get started. So an introduction to affiliate marketing. My name is Tolu Elijah. So let me quickly introduce myself. Who I am and why should you listen to me? Well, I'm an affiliate marketing expert and also a top affiliate on experts now. I'm an undergraduate who have always believed that I can legitimately make money online. I've tried doing various online business right from 2015, but I knew I wasn't earning as much as I could. So I kept anticipating for better opportunities. So sometimes until I was introduced to this business by someone I met online. I actually don't know the person. I met him online and he explained how the business is to me. And I said, okay, no problem. But let me give you a brief discussion about myself. I'm from a family, like, my family background is like, it's just totally zero about affiliate marketing and about anything online. From a family that majority don't even believe in online business. It seems I was the only one that believe. Even my immediate elder brother don't even want to hear anything about anything online. They don't want to hear about anything relating to online. They believe at least when it's physical then. But I have this kind of feeling that I can do it online. So there's a way I can do it. Like that's just been my drive. And it got so good, I've been able to prove that it's actually possible to make amazing income online. So let's continue. When I met this guy, sometimes last year, I didn't even know the guy, but because of the positive mindset I already have towards online business, I just had to make things work out. Tried to listen to him, and after seeing all of it, I said, okay, no problem. But as a student, I was broke and I had no money for registration, but I had to find means to work it out because actually, since I believe I actually give it, I'm very optimistic about it. I know it works. So I say, okay, there's no problem. Let me give it a try. At least we'll know if it work or not. So that was exactly what I did back then. So all right. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Let me quickly give you a breakdown on what affiliate marketing is all about. Let's proceed. Affiliate marketing is a system where an affiliate marketer earn a commission for making for marketing someone else's product or service. The affiliate marketer search for a product that helps solve people problem and promote that product or service to earn a percentage. Now let me break it down to a more simpler English. Let's say for example, my friend wants to sell a phone and he came to meet me and said, Tolu, what's up? I have a phone that I would like to sell. Can you help me get a buyer? And I said, sure. I have a friend whose name is Ogi. And Ogi wants to buy a phone. So what I just do is I simply link Ogi, who wants to buy a phone, to my friend who has a phone to sell. Now, Ogi buy the phone for 120k. Then my friend gave me a commission of like, let's say, 20%. So it's just like a thank you for bringing a buyer to buy the phone. So let's calculate. 20% of 120K is how much? That's 24,000 naira. That's just for selling a phone. I mean, just a phone. So I earn a commission of selling just one phone. It's not my phone. I, I might not even see the phone. My work is just to connect a buyer to a seller. So imagine I sell five phones. All right. So start doing the calculation. Imagine I sell five phones. So the thing is, a lot of people do this, but they don't just know that that's what they do. They don't know they do affiliate marketing. Let me quickly give you a very explicit example now. Someone wants to sell a car who goes for, let's say, 1 million naira, and will give a 20% commission to anyone who gets a buyer. I was able to get someone like, okay, since I already know that this person wants to sell the car, so I was able to get the person a buyer that will buy the car. What I just did was that I linked the buyer and the seller together. You see how easy it is. So imagine, let's calculate now. 20% of 1 million naira is 200,000 naira. I get that solved. I get my 200,000 naira, and all I did was just to connect the seller to the buyer. So you can see how simple it is. All right. Connecting buyer to seller and getting a commission is just that simple. Not too much work in it. It's just that simple. Let's proceed. Bring the statistics. How does it work? So I want to break it down further for you to know how big this business is. Affiliate marketing is a global industry worth well over 12 billion dollars. It's fast growing and a massive global industry. The statistics in 2017, it was worth over 12 billion dollars. Imagine if we do the conversion now to naira. In fact, it's almost getting close to trillions, with the US and EU leading the way. How much money do athletes make per month? Let me give you an insight into that. The average income for an affiliate marketer is $0 to $100 per day. The top 100% of affiliate marketer earn over 1,000 dollars per month. Let's do that brief calculation. When converted to naira, do you know how much that is? Close to a million. So let's continue. That should be half a million. So thereabout. That means if you are in the top 1%, your monthly earnings could be as high as 10K dollars or higher. Why I'm giving this example, don't worry, I'll give an explicit example about what I'm reading out now so you can get it properly. Affiliate marketing involves promoting a product or service by sharing it on a blog, social media platform, podcast, or website. The affiliate earn a commission each time someone makes a purchase through the unique link associated with their recommendation. So what does this mean? Now, what it basically means is affiliate marketing is a very, very huge business in foreign countries, e.g., the US, just like I just read that. Because the business has been there for a very long time. Nigerians have, we've not even explored it that much. And the best part of it is that the business is just starting here in Nigeria. And you know what dollar is saying now. I'm sure you know what dollar is saying. It's about 500 and something, which is the conversion rate. So you should know what I mean by that. So let's proceed. I want to give you just let me take you on a journey now. Now I want to give you a more life examples, that is life examples of affiliate marketing platforms. We all do, but we don't just know. And in fact, we should have been earning from this for so long, but we do it, but we don't know that that's what we actually do, because the biggest brand we know actually do affiliate marketing. Every day, everyone does affiliate marketing in our daily lives, but we don't know we do it every day. The big brands you know also do affiliate marketing. Brands like Amazon, Airbnb, AliExpress, Jumia, Uber also depend on affiliate marketing as their major business mode of operation. Let me explain. Let's take Amazon first. Let me give you what Amazon do. Let me explain for you. Amazon is an online shopping website. They have products online, but Amazon does not own their own product. They do not own their own product. These products are owned by a particular set of people. They are called vendors or sellers, right? They own the product on Amazon website. That's just what they do. What Amazon does is that they bring those people product and add it to their website. And people who need this product goes to Amazon to buy the product. And Amazon get the commission for selling that product. As simple as that. All right. So connecting a buyer and seller, a buyer who wants to buy a product and a seller who has a product to sell. All right. So now it brings you to a more let's to a more knowing about what affiliate marketing is. Just connect a seller who have a product or service to a buyer who needs that product or service at that time. All right. So Jumia, let's come home. I'm sure we all familiar with Jumia. So now let me bring you to a more simpler one you can relate with, which is Jumia. Jumia have lots of products on their website. Jumia does not own this product. These products are owned by normal people like us, like you and me. So what they do is they upload the product on their website, and you and I want to buy probably a shirt, a shoe, or any other thing on Jumia. We go to Jumia website to buy the product. There, Jumia delivers the product. Jumia does not own this product. They don't house the product, they don't store this product. They only connect buyers to sellers and earn the commission on every sales. That is simply affiliate marketing. Let's consider Uber too. Uber does not do something new. I'm sure we all know of Uber. It's something we all know. We are familiar with it. Uber, Taxify, Bolt, etc. They are still in the same category. We all know what this car Uber used for Uber, the one they used, they are not owned by Uber. They are actually owned by individuals. What they simply do is that they enlist their cars on Uber, and whenever you want to go out for a party, an event, or a meeting, when you go to the Uber app, you place an order for a ride, all right, and you head to your destination. Do you know that Uber gets a commission from the money you paid for that trip? That is simply affiliate marketing. So what you are doing is just linking a buyer who want to who wants a service to a seller that renders that service. You don't need to own a car. You don't need to own a product. You don't need to ship cars. You don't need shipping of cars. In fact, you don't necessarily need to see these customers. You just stay where you are and link both of them together on the platform. Let me give you an explanation on Airbnb. Airbnb, although it's not popular here in Nigeria, but Airbnb is like an hotel kind of service, like a residential service, in the sense of, let's say you want to have a getaway with someone, or you want to go out like an hotel or somewhere to stay or relax to do some other things. So what Airbnb does is other people who have apartments which they are not using, you can lease the apartment on Airbnb. And you know the funniest thing about it? When these people place the order, probably you want the residential apartment to just rest over, you just visit Airbnb platform. and place an order on Airbnb. They made the payment for the order. Airbnb gets a commission for connecting someone who has a residential apartment, maybe a room, an hotel, to someone who needs that apartment at that particular time. Maybe it might be a day or 2 days, or perhaps for a short period of time, depending on the budget. So you can see big brands they do this. This AliExpress, I'm sure you should be familiar with AliExpress at least to some extent. AliExpress is just like Jumia. Just the way Jumia does, that is the same thing AliExpress also do, because they don't have a product of their own, they don't store this product, they do not house them, they just connect the sellers that have this product, then they get their commission for doing that. This is also one of the business of affiliate marketing. So the big brands that we know also practice affiliate marketing every day and they get huge amount of money from it. So now that we have the understanding, I'm sure you know how affiliate marketing works now. It's more like connecting a buyer to a seller and you get your commission for doing that. So how do you start affiliate marketing? The next question will now be, oh, how do I start this affiliate marketing? And it's very, very simple. It's very, very simple. You can start affiliate marketing by selling digital products online. Digital products are value-based products created on the internet and packaged in the form of videos, PDFs, ebooks, and courses. Digital products, digital courses like Udemy, Coursera, and EDX. So what does this mean? Like going to a place like Jumia, what's this now? Going to a place like Jumia, saying you want to be an affiliate for them, you can earn really, really small commission because it's if you are able to sell a product worth 1 million naira now, you might earn maybe like 5% commission, which is very small. And of course, before you can sell a product worth 1 million, you must have done a lot of things. You must have done a lot of work. You must have done a lot of work. So it's not that advisable to do that. So I'm in selling digital products in terms of courses, videos that are created to teach us on how to do stuffs. I'm sure we all know PDF. I believe you know that PDF are what we read on our mobile phones. We used to read things, ebooks, just like how to sell to Nigerians by Aki Alabi, Sell Like Crazy like from Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Subi. Those are examples of ebooks. Music. Your music is also part of it. It's also part of it. It's also part of digital product. So what you combine when you combine all of this together, your PDF, your videos, your ebooks, when you combine them together, that's what gives us a course. That's what gives us a course. Now you can sell these courses to become an affiliate marketer. All right. So examples of courses I'm sure we all know Udemy. I'm sure we all know Udemy, we know Coursera, we know EDX. But these platforms, they are platforms where you can access courses online. What this means is just that you can visit any of these platforms and register. Let's say you want to learn copywriting or computer programming. You can visit Udemy or Coursera to get the course and learn it. So these courses are what you can call digital products. And you can actually start by selling these courses. I'm sure you understand that. So now let's proceed. Now you might be asking yourself, where do I find these courses apart from Coursera or Udemy, because these are foreign platforms and you might earn very little from them, and you might not even have the opportunity to work with them. But there are actually different ways of getting digital products. All right. So, but two ways which I think are the best so far. The first one, you can get it from course creators. These are people who create courses online. You can find them anywhere. You can find them on Instagram, you can find them on Twitter, on YouTube. They're everywhere. You can find them. You just meet with them. Oh, I want to affiliate for your course. For example, okay, she sells a course for two. Okay, let's say she sells a course for 2,000 20,000 naira. Then you can earn the commission of you can earn the commission of 10% commission of 20,000 naira, which is quite small, right? So, and 20% of 20%, 10% of 20,000 naira is just like that's just 2,000 naira. All right. Why the second one is registering on an affiliate platform, registering on affiliate platform, register on um, affiliate marketing networks, just like I listed here. So the first one is ClickBank, the one here. There are various marketing networks, affiliate marketing networks. The first one here is ClickBank. We have JVZoo. There are so many. There are so many, but they are all foreign affiliate marketing platforms. This one, they are foreign affiliate marketing platforms. You can find them online. You can search for them on Google, so you will see them. But I do not advise going to foreign platform because let me tell you the reason behind this. Because most of the people that have gone there have really regretted their actions. It's just like going to abroad to go and sell, and you don't understand how people sell over there. You don't even understand the system over there, and you want to go and sell. You know, it does not really works that way. Apart from apart from that, ClickBank does not accept Nigerians at all. ClickBank does not accept Nigerians. All right. So if you want to work on ClickBank now, you have to now start passing through the back door, like passing behind. And anything that is not straightforward, you already know that there could be a comma along the way. But JVZoo, there are other JVZoo, Warrior Plus, they are foreign platforms. Apart from that, you could even manage to register on platforms. These foreign platforms, you could even manage to register on it. But the particular day you want to receive your payment, your account might have been blocked. It happens a lot. Like it happens a whole lot. A lot of people really complain about this. So I don't really advise people to register on foreign platforms. So there's a particular platform I work in. It's called Expertna. Expertna is the biggest affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria with over 55 different high valued knowledge products on sales, which are in high demand. Which I demand. There are a lot of people who are always coming in to get this product on Expertna here in Nigeria. So it is the best platform actually to easily become an affiliate marketer in Nigeria. Now you might be asking yourself, how do I get started on Expertna? All right, how do I become an affiliate on Expertna? And it's very very simple. It's very very simple. There are two ways of registering on Expertna. The first one, the 10,000 naira package, while the second one, the 62,500 package, which has the 72 ID course. Now, this 10K package simply means you are registering on Expertina for a 1 year access to all their products. they have them. Meaning you just want to affiliate for them and just want to sell their product for them. All right. So Expartner has the product. So your own work is just to link people who want this product because these are high value products on Expartner. All right. So now the downside of this 10,000 naira package is that when you sign up, you wouldn't have anyone to walk you through because they believe you are a professional digital marketer, like you are a pro, an expert about digital marketing. You know something about internet. The way they see you is that you know everything about internet marketing and digital marketing. You know everything about it. So all you just need is the product to sell on your own. They just give you access to the product, then you begin to sell. But most people don't really know how to do digital marketing. Digital marketing is quite difficult. So that's where the second option comes in, which is the 72 IG course. So the 72 IG program is an in-depth explanation on how to go about digital marketing online, how to go about marketing any product online, and also it contains that 1 year access inside the 72 IG program. The 72 IG program teaches you how to effectively sell and recommend these products to people who need them so you can earn a commission. So it contains so many skills from the WhatsApp marketing, email marketing, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, content writing, like some some web development, some graphics designing. See, I don't want to keep mentioning. In fact, it's loaded. It's loaded with skills that are available in this program. Left to me, oh, this program is undervalued. Is undervalued. I think it should be going for maybe 200K or 250K, like other digital product courses. So these are the two ways you can actually register on Expertina. The 10K package, which do not really, it's, I do not really recommend because you you'll be stranded, which I do not recommend because it it you will just be stranded because you already assume you are an expert, you're a guru in this thing, you can market. But at the end of the day, because most people, in fact, 99% of people who go for this package will eventually come to get this 72 IG course. So why why is- what's the reason of getting this in the first place? So this is it's not it's undervalued. This course is undervalued because what's the reason of getting this in the first place if you still later come and get this? So here is Expatina, and this is the logo of Expatina over here. So once you are registered on Expatina, you might want to say, what does the Expatina looks like? How does it look? What the how does Expatina looks like? So this is my dashboard, and this is my dashboard over here. This is the Expatina dashboard. This is how it looks like. So this is my name, Tolulope Obadino. This is my name, and this is my account. All right, and I've made some good amount of money now. Looking at my dashboard, I've made this. This is my all-time sales here. This is my all-time sales here. So don't worry, don't worry. I actually don't worry. I actually have to cover it so won't be scared. So I won't scare some people away. All right. So this is Nigeria. We have to protect ourselves. But so this is my all-time earning. This is my account balance, and this is my next payout. So this is what Expertna dashboard looks like. So some moving on to the products available on Expertna. We'll move on to the product available on Expertna. There are actually quite a number of products, like over 60 products are present on Expertna. So these are examples of the product available on Expertna. So this is the price. This is the price. Also, this is the commission for the product. So from what you can see, from what we have here, 50% commission. You can see 50%, 50% commission. Some have 40% commission. Some even have 80% commission. So this is there are numerous products here that you can see. There are numerous products here that you can see here. Okay. So there are numerous products that you can see here. So imagine you sell a product worth 50K. Here now, you earn a 50% commission. Someone that need this, you recommend the product to him or her, and you sell 50%, you sell product worth 50,000 naira, you earn 50% commission. That's 25,000. So now, imagine you sell that five of that product a week. Imagine you sell that just for a week. You know how huge it will be. So that's just it. And we also have other example. There are numerous courses here. There are numerous courses here. As you can see, these are the prices here. These are the prices here. And you can see some having 50% commission, some 40. So you have, in fact, in fact, the examples of products we have on Expertina, you can make massive 50% commission from it. I mean massive. Just imagine you sell five product of that course a week. Only five. You are you're having a lot of money. 25, that's 25,000 naira times 25,000 naira times five in five places. That's almost if I'm not mistaken now, one, two, three. Okay. That's almost 125,000 naira. Yeah, that's 125,000 naira. So imagine that, all right. So imagine any 125,000. That's some bankers salary. So that's it. All right. So what you do is that you recommend this product to people who need it, then you get your commission for doing that. Hope you get it now. So this is not the only slide we have for the product on Expertina. We also have so many slides on Expertina. So let me, okay, this is another set of products on Expertina. You can go through it. In fact, you can even see this having 80%, 80% commission. So imagine, see, you can make massive income from this product. You can make massive income from it. Some are having 50, some are having 40. Imagine this is even having 80%. And this is not all of the products we have. I just had to show us this and the former one I showed us. So you can make massive income from it. Imagine selling a product that it's not your own. You just sell, you connect the buyer at the comfort of your own. You connect the buyer with the seller, then you get your commission for doing that. So you might be asking yourself, sell, sell, sell. How do we even sell this product? And it's really not hard. Oh. It's really not hard. It's really simple. So Expertna teaches how to sell this product via digital marketing or doing Facebook or Instagram ads. And also email marketing. Yeah, email marketing. That is by running Facebook and Instagram ads and email marketing. All right. So now Facebook ad is very simple. All you need to do is just go through the program, learn how to run Facebook ads. I'm sure you must have seen Facebook ad while scrolling on Facebook. I'm sure you must have seen that. You just come across someone's profile picture and see something written under it, sponsored. That's under the profile picture, you just see sponsored. Okay, so this is what is called Facebook ad. You also see that on Instagram as well. That is what is called Instagram ads. Okay, so when we when you get your product, when you get access to your product, you run ad for that product and people buy the product and you just stay at home and cash your money. It's as simple as that. Another way of doing this is called email marketing. That's another way you can do that. And I'm very sure almost all of us are we have email address. In fact, I'm very sure of that because most of us have what's called email address where we receive emails, probably job posting here and there. And it's so simple. You can be taught how to write emails. You'll be taught on how to go about setting up email campaigns that in form of getting autoresponder to email sequence and just like a bot. Autoresponder is just like a bot that helps you send email to your customers even when you are sleeping. Yes, even when you are sleeping. You can set up your autoresponder to send messages to your customers even when you are sleeping. It's it's simple as that. There are many platforms that have autoresponder and you will be taught on how to go about that on Expertina via the 72 IG program. You'll be taught on how to go about that. You can set it in such a way that 1 a.m. in the morning, someone sees your advert and somebody click on your advert and register on your advert. That person will get an email while you are also sleeping. And you can also set it that after a day, that person gets an email just to remind them of their purchase. You could be sleeping by 1 a.m. in the morning and someone is buying your product. I'm sure you must have seen when athletes wake up in the morning and looking looking at their email, they already make a sale. So it's just as simple as that. There's no big deal about making sales. You simply do this by using Facebook or Instagram ads, or perhaps you might want to use email marketing. And that's how to do this. That's how we do it. There's no two way about it. Now you might also be wondering, sales, 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 sales. How do we make this sale? Like, how do we make it? All right, Expatina pays every Friday. So these are some of my withdrawals on Expatina on Friday, and this enters my account. This is my name here, Tolopo Badino. That's my surname. So Tolopo Badino, and this is my account. As you can see it, I've actually used through this program. Like it's- sometimes the alerts come very very early in the morning. Sometimes I might still be sleeping at that time, as you can see here, as you can also see here. Sometimes the alerts come very very early in the morning. In fact, in the morning before waking up, something has already dropped in my account every Friday. So these are my weekly payments, which I've been able to make six figures income. Right? It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. So,
Uh, Good
all
morning,
right. So these are
guys.
my
I want to sincerely appreciate Mr. Tolulope
okay.
Naija for how he has tremendously helped my athlete business. Some tactics that he has showed me, which has really helped my business. So, thank you, Mr. Tolulope Naija. I really appreciate. Please, guys, I want you to follow him because he's the guy that knows
Mm,
his role and is ready to show. So,
uh,
he's the best in this
I'm
field.
blushing
Just
right
follow
now.
him. That's the best advice I can give. Thank you. Uh, Good morning,
So
guys.
that's one of my students actually. That's one of my
Sincerely
students. He just
appreciate Mr. Tolulope
so that's
Naija
that's that's the
for
testimony.
how he has
That's one of the
tremendously
testimonies
helped
for my
my
students. In
athlete
fact,
business. Some
this is just as
tactics
easy as that.
that he has
It's
showed
just
me,
as easy.
which has
So
really
one of
helped
my
my
students,
business. So
that's just
thank
one
you,
of them.
Mr.
So
Tolulope
let me
Naija.
let me
I
let
really
me show you.
appreciate.
Let me
Please,
give
guys, I
you.
want you to follow him
So also
because
this
he's the guy that
David.
knows this role.
Just keep
It's,
appreciating. Just keep
so
appreciating.
he's always breaking it down for you because he gives you various steps and shows you the technique that you have to use in like in order for you to boost your sales as an athlete. So I really want you to actually join his class and to actually text him and like get more details expert Naira. Okay, so I would really advise you to follow Dr. follow him up because it's mind blowing. So I really advise you to follow him up and get more details on expert Naira, and I assure you that you will not regret it. I can boldly say that from my own experience. So he's always breaking.
So that's just it. So that's basically how affiliate marketing works. It's not so hard. It's very simple. All you need to do is to understand how the business works and have an open mind to learn how the business works and learning the rules. Once you're able to do that, then you keep scaling from there. So those are just some of the testimonies from my students. That's David that just give us that now. So that's how you can easily go with that. So for people who just want to get started in affiliate marketing, I usually offer what I call free mentorship. All right, which is what you saw from my student testimonies now. It's from my mentorship. That video was just an appreciation of what I've done for them. So I give them this free mentorship so they can be able to walk them through how to go about affiliate marketing. All right. So they can earn exactly, and they can definitely earn just like I earn also. So they can easily earn using my statics. I'll put them through on how to go about it. Do this. Then when they obey, they get the results. That's how it works. Because most people do not know about affiliate marketing. They just say affiliate marketing, affiliate marketing. They are not experts. They are not top marketers. So for my students who sign up with me, I also give them, apart from the free mentorship, which worth 40K on its own, apart from the free mentorship, I also give them my super affiliate starter goodies. I call it goodies because indeed it's goodies. It's loaded because this is where I lay out the right step you could follow in order to achieve the success I achieve. This particular one goes for 50K separately, but I give it out for free. I'm supposed to charge for this, but I give it out for free. But just for my student, all right, it's better you just learn from my mistakes instead of making your own mistakes. It's better I hold your hands and just walk you through so you can get the result in a shorter time. You get? So when I hold your hands and walk you through, then you can easily get results. You won't make the mistake I made. You get? So now that's how it actually works. And my super affiliate starter goodies, they contain just four things that you will not want to miss. Let me show you how to generate sales without running a single ad. You can make sales organically. I'll show you how you can generate the sales without running a single ad. How to close deals effortlessly with my template. You see, to close deals is very easy. It's just if you know the template around it. If you don't know how to close deal, there's no way you can close it. Exclusive mini, that's the third one. Exclusive mini course on how to grow your business base for free. And also, this number four, free access to my inner circle, and you have access to my private number. I actually don't give it out anyhow. I don't give my private number out anyhow. But and every of my students, I will give you my private number because perhaps you want to ask me some questions, you might want to speak with me concerning some things. I give my private number out for that purpose. I hope you get that. So the best of it is I actually don't tell people about it. I actually don't tell people about it. So this particular one, this number four, which I'm just discussing with you, this my inner circle. In fact, if you are there, if you are not making as expected, if you are not making as expected in this inner circle, then we need to you need to give me a call because I'll need to sit you down, explain what you have not been doing. Perhaps you have not been implementing all that I've instructed you appropriately. That's it. That's it. We need to discuss in this. That's what I do. That this my inner circle. That's what it really entails. So let me answer some questions. Let me answer some questions. So these are some frequently asked questions. Um, Throughout the times I've been doing this, there's so many questions that do I need a laptop? Mm, you don't need a laptop, but the only thing you need is a smartphone and a data connection. You really need that. A smartphone and a data connection. So you don't really need a laptop. But as time goes on, you can scale up. But for a start, you don't really need a laptop. So how do I sell this product? Just like I explained earlier, is that I use Facebook ads, um, email marketing, Instagram ads. They are very simple. These are one of the things you will go through in the course. So how much do I need to start? It's just 62,500 naira for now because it tends to increase anytime soon to 75,000. But for now, it's still 62,500. So you can take advantage of that. So let me answer this. How fast will I start earning? What I will always say, those asking how fast will I just earn, you should know that this is a gradual process. And it's not a Ponzi scheme that you invest 2K, you ask you to come and get 50,000 naira within 24 hours. It's not possible. It's a gradual process. You have to take this as a business because that's actually what it is. It's a business on its own. So you have to take it as a business. Then you start seeing the results. When you follow my instructions, follow what I instruct you to do, then you get your result. So how fast will I start earning? I've answered that. And how long does your mentorship last? It's for life. It's a lifetime mentorship. I do that for my students. So can I pay instrumentally and is there any deadline? Actually, I do not receive payment instrumentally. No, you pay on as partner. So the thing is, when you get your money, you pay on ex partner, and because the price might increase, just like I said, it might increase anytime soon. So you shouldn't be budgeting for another, perhaps the price increase. So that's why I do not collect instrumental payment. So whenever you want to register, so if you want to get started on Expatina right away, here is the registration link. This link here. This is the registration link. Once you click on this link and register, you will automatically become my student. And I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss the package for my students. I'm sure you wouldn't want to miss that. So this is the link to register and automatically you become my student. So now perhaps you might want to connect with me on WhatsApp, on Twitter, on Instagram. This is my number over here. So you can connect with me anytime that you love to. And you also get access to